Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this in-depth tutorial on maintaining your Lenovo ThinkBook 14 and understanding its warranty. Today, we'll cover the necessary tools, steps for cleaning, and how to address common issues while ensuring your device stays covered under warranty. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this process. You will require a 1. Phillips screwdriver, size number 00. 2. Anti-static wrist strap. 3. Soft microfiber cloth. 4. Compressed air canister. 5. Isopropyl alcohol, preferably 70% concentration. Now that we have our tools ready, let's start with the internal cleaning process, which not only helps in maintaining performance but also can prevent overheating. Begin by powering down your Lenovo ThinkBook 14 and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back panel by unscrewing the 6 Phillips screws. Remember to keep these screws in a safe place as they are essential for reassembly. Once the panel is off, gently lift it to avoid damaging any clips. Take a moment to observe the internal components. You'll see the fan, heatsink, and other critical parts that might collect dust over time. Using the compressed air canister, blow out any dust buildup. This is crucial as dust can impede airflow and lead to overheating issues. For areas that are particularly dirty, lightly dampen the microfiber cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe down the surfaces. Ensure that you don't let any liquid drip onto the motherboard or other components. If you feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device is taken care of by experts. Now, let's talk about the battery. If you notice any swelling or performance issues, it's critical to address this immediately. To remove the battery, disconnect the cable gently and unscrew it from the chassis. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. After cleaning and inspecting, it is vital to put everything back in place. Align the back panel and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure they are tightened but not overly so, as this can strip the threads. Now, let's discuss the warranty aspect. If your Lenovo ThinkBook 14 has any issues post-cleaning, it's essential to know what is covered under your warranty. Typically, hardware malfunctions are covered, but physical damage may not be. Always keep your proof of purchase handy as it will be required for any claims. If you encounter a problem, you can request a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect in terms of costs. Additionally, our service is designed to be convenient, no calls, no travel, just a simple click and we handle the rest. In summary, regular maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your Lenovo ThinkBook 14. With the right tools and knowledge, you can keep it running smoothly. If you are ever in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Remember, taking care of your technology today can save you significant hassle down the road. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.